So my students, 80% are software personnel, sir.
And software people are going for goat farming.
Yeah, sheep and goat farming they're going for.
बंधुगण एपिसोड आरंभ करने पूर्वर मु आपनकु अनुरोध रखुछि मु मुंबईरू एक ओडिया यूट्यूब चैनल आरंभ करिछि आपण यूट्यूब चैनल रो सब्सक्राइबर होंतु आउ मते अधिक लोकन पाखरे पहुंचबारे सहाय्य करंतु एई एपिसोड टिकु संपूर्ण देखंतु आउ आपनक मतामत मध्य दियंतु।
सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट हेउछि हाई पेइंग जॉब। दुनिया रे मेधावी छात्र छात्री माने सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर जॉब पाई स्वप्न देखुछंती। दर्शक बंधु आपण जानी आश्चर्य हेबे बेंगालुरु रे जने पशु डाक्टर एहा मध्यरे 10,000 रु अधिक सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर को मेंढा और छेली चाष शिक्षा दे सारिलेनी। एही पशु डाक्तर का नाम हेउछि आर जगन्नाथ। मु एही डाक्तर को किछि मास तले जूम रे भेटी थिली एवं डाक्तर सह एक साक्षात्कार मध्य करिथिली। एबे आसंतु आमे सुनिबा एही साक्षात्कार रे डाक्तर बाबू कोन कहउछंती।
From 1998 I started my own training center, sir.
What you have achieved it? How many people you have created farmers?
But numerous, I cannot just count because while I was in service also, maybe from 2010 we are doing it intensively. Earlier also we were doing, but 2010 since maybe average about 50 persons per month. It counts in thousands.
And what are they doing after the training?
After getting training, they start their own farming, sir.
Now there is a new trend. Educated youths are coming for goat and sheep farming. Earlier it was not there.
Exactly. Now actually it is happening since about maybe some last 15 years. Not new. Usually people who are city based and especially who are well educated like MBA and software graduates, so who are working for some software companies. So my students, 80% are software personnel, sir.
And software people are going for goat farming.
Yeah, sheep and goat farming they're going for. Just because sheep and goat farming it gives good returns. And also there is a huge market, both domestic and also international. So global market is there, and also there is a great demand in market, and there is a market gap. Huge market gap is there between demand and supply. Demand is huge and supply is less. So that's why people go for sheep and goat. And also it's a little easy to do, less risky.
Why software people are going for goat farming?
So that's the thing. Why software people are going for sheep farming, goat farming is, you know very well, agriculture is not that remunerative. That traditional agriculture was, it's not remunerative or it won't give you much money. And software people actually they are good earning people, so they want some good earning activities related to agriculture and which give good return. So sheep and goat is sure to give good returns because there is a lot of profit in that, and also there is a huge market for that. So the main objective of any activity is like this: any product you produce, it should be sold at a good rate and in abundance and in the required quantity, or the quantity you produce is sold in market. So because there is a huge market and demand and also good price, they get good money. So they just for that reason they go for goat farming.
How many software developers are being trained by you in goat farming?
So numerous, we cannot say because I must have trained not less than around 10 to 15,000 people. Out of that, 80% are software.
So around 10,000 people are trained.
Yeah, sure. Because I keep record, I keep in registers, but we cannot count. It's about since about long time. Even I was in service maybe 2010 to 2020, 10 years. Plus earlier also I used to do a lot many people.
से बेंगालुरु रे मेंढा एवं छेली चाष पालन शिक्षा देइथांती। सरकारी चाकरी अवसर नेबा परे से एई तालीम केंद्र खोली शिक्षा देउछंती।
What is requirement to start a goat farm?
Sir, they should have some agriculture land and they should have an investment. If they don't have capital, they can obtain from capital from government, banks, or there are some government schemes which
What is the size of land and what is the amount of capital minimum required?
The minimum required is 2 acres land for 100 animal unit, and 10 lakhs rupees is the capital required for 100 animals.
What is the return?
The gross returns will be something like if you go for sheep, it will be 150% annual. So if you are investing, and that means to say only animal cost. And animal cost, for suppose if you are investing 10 lakhs rupees, 60% of 10 lakhs will be animal cost. Okay. So on that 60%, you will get 150% of returns as gross income, maybe minus your expenditure. So they will be having good returns, sir.
Have you tracked the success stories of your training?
Many people.
And they are mostly from Karnataka.
Karnataka. Actually, I get people from West Bengal. I get people from Punjab, Haryana, Orissa.
How many software developers have become goat farmers?
So many have become, sir. I'll give you. Actually, I cannot remember everybody's name. So there are in my list. So I can send you. Suppose if you want their list, I can send you in WhatsApp. You can contact them directly and you can speak to them.
Can you tell me, say me the training module? How you train? How you promote? Or how do you do training?
Yeah. So training module is usually we have two schedules. One is theory and one is practical. Okay. So the theory part, what we do some PPT. I have developed on the PPT for that out of my experience. So that PPT we do, that covers a whole lot of things for a basic person who is a startup. So for that, I can all the basic things what you need to know will be incorporated in that. So that thing we give them one Saturday from morning 10 to 5:30 we give them PPT basic information, and Sunday we'll send them for one boat farm which is nearby in Bangalore. So there they go for a practical exposure from Sunday from morning 10 to evening 5 o'clock they'll be there. So they practice the things what we say in Saturday and what we give them basic. But all the basic things they practice on Sunday, and this is a basic training. What we suggest for them, especially for educated people actually who are brought up in cities without agriculture background, we suggest them to go for a practical training for minimum 3 months. So we arrange for that. So they go there, settle there, and they work with the farmer for 3 months. So then they are confident, and they'll be experts, or you can say they're confident to start their venture, and it will be safe also. So we do like this, the module. Yes, sir.
What is the variety of goats is popular in demand?
Popular in demand actually in Karnataka there are two breeds. One is called as Nandi Durga, another called is Bidri. So these are two breeds of Karnataka. They're in good demand. Other than that, actually Indian goats are the best in the world. So North Indian goats, just like Jamnapari from Uttar Pradesh, and then Sirohi from Rajasthan, and Beetle from Punjab, Haryana, these are very good breeds. Actually, this Jamnapari from UP, Uttar Pradesh, it's worldwide. It's famous. It is also called as Eid goat. So that is very famous for Bakrid purpose. So many people worldwide they prefer this Jamnapari goat. Also, there are subtypes we call it Totapari or Sojat. There are subtypes of Jamnapari. They are also in great demand. They are the best goats in the world, I can say.
And those are coming for your training. What is the composition of men and women?
You can say 70% are men and 30% are women.
What is the problem in a farmer face in goat farming?
If there are 4 things, there should not be any problem. So they must have sufficient knowledge regarding the breed selection, and then your proper feeding, and also your proper vaccination to prevent the diseases. Also, deworming is also important. It plays an important role. Deworming means give medicines to kill worms inside, worms, that parasites we say. So that's what we suggest for people who come to us. No? So they need to go for apprentice. They have to work there for minimum 3 months. So there they will come to know how to feed them, how to vaccinate, how to prevent the disease, and everything. They'll be. Then I think there is no question of failure.